Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back in our reading class. Please take out your book Phonic is Fun and open page number 12. Oh, here we have a boy on this page. Who is this? Oh, this is Sami. Sami is sitting on a mat on the sand. Now let's try to read this sentence. Sami takes out a map from, TH will give us the sound of the black bag. Sami takes out a map from the black bag. Now come on page number 13. Oh, Sami is getting angry on the cat. Let's try to read this sentence. Along comes Pat, his pet cat, and stands on the map. Along comes Pat, his pet cat, and stands on the map. Good. Please revise your book daily. Revise this work. Revise the written work. Revise the reading work again and again. And today's general knowledge question is, how many rivers are there in Pakistan? So the answer is, there are 5 rivers. River Ravi. Please read it after me. River Sutlej, River Jihlam, River Chenab, River Indus. Now please learn this question and revise your reading book. I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.